Welcome back. This is going to be the installation video for the side stabilizers. So let's just get started. In the kit, you'll see that there are included a bunch of screws. All of them are going to be the same. So they're M3x5 and they're going to be used to fix the side stabilizers in place. So the pre-requirement is that you have the long rail and the either the mag grip or the frame rail already installed. You want to grab and locate one of the side stabilizers, put it in place, and you're also going to be needing a 2mm hex drive. So you can use either an Allen key or a screwdriver with a 2mm bit. So start with the bottom and make sure the first time you're threading it in, you really apply some pressure, especially initially once you're starting to screw in the screw. So there are no metal threads, so you're basically threading into a plastic, but you shouldn't worry about it too much. It's pretty strong and it's quite hard to over tighten it, but again, just don't overdo it. The first time you install it, make sure that it's still quite loose during the installation process. So let's move ahead and install the second screw. Again, remember to apply some pressure, and once it starts threading, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Again, leave some space so the stabilizer moves and you can align it in place. Then take the next screws and align it in place with the long top rail. And these you can already start tightening down. For these ones, you don't have to worry about over tightening it. It's not going to be really possible. So once those are tightened, you can now tighten the bottom ones. Just make sure that once the head touches the stabilizer and there's no movement, you just maybe do a half turn or a bit more, and that's it. Like, it just needs to be held in place. There's no real need to super tighten these screws. As long as they're not moving and not coming out, you're good to go. And that's basically it. You repeat the same procedure on the other side and you're good to go. That's it, and I'll see you in the next one.